Another important thing to consider is what kind of activities you're going to do when you travel. Now, toy haulers in particular have become more and more popular in recent years because UTVs and side-by-sides have become incredibly popular. People like to travel with their golf carts. People like to travel with bicycles, kayaks, all kinds of stuff that, paddleboards, things we didn't think about maybe 5 or 10 years ago as much as we do now. And with those things in mind, there are different floor plans that are going to be more accommodating to the kind of stuff that you want to take with you. Now keep in mind, like with a travel trailer, you're going to be towing with something, whether it's a truck or SUV, something along those lines, that you might be able to put a roof rack on it or put things in the bed. If you've got bicycles, you can put bicycles in the bed of the truck. Or if you got an SUV and you've got kayaks, you can put those on top of the SUV. So you've got some flexibility there, but sometimes you're in a situation where you need to be able to haul some stuff inside the trailer. And that's where we would look at different things like toy haulers, for instance. It gives you the ultimate flexibility, but also a lot of our trailers now are coming with rear cargo doors, so you can open that up and you can put things inside like a bicycle or kayaks or things along those lines. And then there's also the hitch setups on the back of these trailers where we can add a bike rack, we can add a cargo carrier or different things, so you can actually load stuff onto the back of the trailer and bring those things with you without loading them inside the tow vehicle or inside the trailer itself.